Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious summer salad that is perfect for easy entertaining. It's my spinach and strawberry salad with raw almonds, crumbled goat cheese, cucumber ribbons, and grilled chicken. I'm also going to show you how to make a terrific poppy seed dressing to go with it. And special thanks to KitchenAid for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this episode. They generously donated all the new appliances in my newly remodeled kitchen. And if you missed the before and after story on this kitchen and you want to get caught up, the link is in the description. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the grill attachment in the KitchenAid SmartOven Plus. It's super easy to use and makes indoor grilling a snap. So a day before you plan to grill, I like to just season my chicken with salt and pepper and place it in a casserole dish. This will ensure that our chicken is nice and tender and juicy when we go to grill. Then an hour before grilling, we're going to mix up the marinade. So in a bowl, you want to combine a half a teaspoon of fresh orange zest, a quarter cup of fresh orange juice, a tablespoon of grapeseed oil or any other non-flavored oil, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 2 to 3 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. This will just give the marinade a nice depth of flavor. And then you can season to taste with a little salt and pepper. Then you can pour the marinade over the chicken that's already in our casserole since it's been seasoned before. And then you can place your chicken in the fridge and allow it to marinate for 20 minutes. So while our chicken is marinating, we can prepare the grill attachment. All you do is pull the lower rack all the way out. Then place the base pan on the rack, then add the heating element, and then add the grill attachment. Then push the rack into the oven, and it will connect to a power hub in the back of the oven, and a tone chimes to let you know it's in. Then you can set the oven to grill. It will also ask you to choose what you're grilling. So we'll tap boneless chicken breasts, hit start, and the grill starts to preheat. You can also ask to be reminded to flip it based on the weight of your protein. Another fun feature is there are also recipes in the display panel, which is nice, especially when just getting used to the new appliance and all that it can do. I've tried the recipe for the breakfast scones and they are fantastic. And it's so much fun to know that that recipe is always ready and waiting right in the oven. The one thing you should know when purchasing this oven is that the grill attachment, the base pan, and heating element actually get shipped with the oven. But then you just need to register your oven to receive the baking stone and steamer, which will ship separately at no additional cost to you. One of the things that I really love about this attachment is that it creates nice grill marks for your chicken, but doesn't smoke up your kitchen in the process. While our chicken is resting, we can prepare the dressing. So in a small bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. You can stir that all together just until it's nice and combined, and then you slowly want to add in 4 to 6 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. So I give you that range because if you like a really tart dressing, I would say only use 4 tablespoons. If you like something a little bit more mellow, then go the full 6. You basically just want this dressing to start to emulsify and thicken. At that point, you can add your orange juice. And you can add anywhere from 2 tablespoons to a full quarter cup of the orange juice. It's one of these things you kind of want to do to taste depending on how citrusy you like it. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. And you can stir that in. And there we go. Your dressing is all ready to go. So now it's time to assemble our salad. So the base of the salad is going to be spinach. So you can get just pre-washed baby spinach and use that as your bed. And then you're also going to take 8 ripe strawberries and slice them thinly. And you can sprinkle those around. And then you can sprinkle with some raw almonds. And then I like to add some cucumber, and you can just create really beautiful cucumber ribbons with a potato peeler. So I like to get the English cucumbers because they don't have as many seeds as a traditional cucumber. So it's easier to kind of peel them into beautiful ribbons, which I think just adds a nice fancy touch. And then I also like to add just a little bit of crumbled goat cheese, which I think creates a really beautiful creaminess against the freshness of the salad. But if you're not a goat cheese fan, I totally get it, and you could leave it out. And then we're gonna add our chicken. So I really like to slice the chicken on the diagonal and create nice slices and then just transfer the whole thing with a chef's knife to the top of the salad. It'll keep all of the pieces intact and just looks a little prettier for presentation. And then for the dressing, I always like to serve that on the side because people get picky about how much dressing they like. And this way they can serve themselves and just add the dressing on top. And there you have it, a delicious summer salad that's flavorful, refreshing, and healthy too. I hope you guys give this one a try and let me know what you think. And special thanks to KitchenAid for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. And for more information on the KitchenAid Smart Oven Plus that you saw me use in this video, you can check the links in the description below, or you can browse the full collection of KitchenAid appliances at KitchenAid.com. All right, you guys, I'll see you back here next time. Until then, bye.